this is pretty much the home screen of the application, pretty much a AI song generator application. So here you have a lot of songs generated by other people on the application. You have the most popular section that everyone's listening to that has been created on the application. Here you can pretty much add a art if you do like it, and if you want to listen to any one of these songs that have been created by other people, you can just tap on the one that you want to listen and tap on it here, as you can see there. And as well, you can swipe up to pretty much see the lyrics that they have used in their song. So as you can see here, you can see the lyrics in your song, and as well you can pretty much reuse their prompt that they have used to create this viral song of the application. So very easy to use. So to create your own song on this application here, all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon here and you'll be able to enter describe your song that you want to generate. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the get inspired option here and be able to generate your own song here. As well, you can tap on the custom option if you do have lyrics and style that you want specifically. You can set up these features here. So as you can see, if you don't have any lyrics as well, you can tap on the generate feature here, or it will just give you something random. As you can see here as well, you have the lyrics expansion feature there as well. It will just give you something random. So that's really pretty much it for that there. The style section, if you want something random, you can tap on the random option here. But if not, you can just tap on the style option here and select whatever you want. You can select more than one things. You don't have to select one stuff. As you can see here, you have the set option. You can, let's say you want a piano in your song as well, you can add that as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. And do keep in mind, you're going to need 15 credits to generate a song. So once you have pretty much entered all your information, you can tap on the generate option here, and your song will pretty much start generating, as you can see here. So the AI cover section is pretty much once you have generated a song, you can pretty much add your voice in that song instead of hearing a AI voice. You can add your own voice in that song, and you pretty much can use it however you please. So once the song is pretty much generated, as you can see here, it will be in the section here, in my music section. As well, you can see in the library section, you pretty much see the live and all the songs that you have added voice as well. So in the tool option, nothing much. You just have some editing features which you can use with this application here. As you can see here, you have the audio editor, you have the video to audio option. You have quite a lot of useful features which you can use. You have the voice changer option. This is pretty much where you find all the music that you have generated in the my music section, as you can see here. So nothing really much for that as well. But for subscription or the coins to generate your song, you'd have to tap on the option at the top here where you see the coin icons, and you will pretty much get 15 coins for free where you can use to generate a free song, and as well test out the application. But for your subscription, you're gonna need your subscription. You have a weekly subscription where you get 100 credits, a monthly subscription where you get 1,000 credits, and you have a tier subscription where you get 12,000 credits. So those credits will be needed to generate your song. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much, very easy to use, and if you have missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and we'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.